Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. If you are first time watching this channel, please subscribe, like and share. Those who have not seen the previously uploaded videos, please try to watch. Today I am sharing with you the subject of how to convert text to audio. Please watch the video till end. We need an application to convert text to audio. To do this, open the Play Store and search for text to speech. Now you can see a lot of applications. Select this application and download. I will give the link of this application in the description. After download, open the application and type something. Then click the play button. Good morning. How are you? If you want to download the audio, click download button. If you want to change language, select the three dots on top of the right side. Select language. Now appeared a new page. Here you can adjust voice and accent, pitch and speed. Now I'm going to change the language. For this, select language option. You can see many different languages here. Now I selected Malayalam language. Type something.
നമസ്കാരം. സുഖമല്ലേ?
Namaskaram.
We hope you find this video useful. If you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe, like and share.